I'm Lindy Fitzgerald. I'm a Professor of Neurotrauma at Curtin University and the Perron Institute, and I'm also the CEO of Connectivity. Following a traumatic brain injury, lots of different things are happening inside the brain. It depends upon the severity of that injury as to how bad the various elements of the damage responses are, but a few key factors are present for all of these injuries. Following the initial impact, the brain moves inside the skull and can impact upon the other side of the skull from where the injury occurred. This leads to a cascade of events inside the brain. There are changes in the concentration of particular chemicals, and this triggers changes in particular cell types within the brain. Inflammatory cells can come in if there is a breach to the barrier between the brain and the rest of the body, and that inflammation leads to worsening of the damage. Nerve cells and the cells that make insulating myelin that protects the nerve cells, these can all be disrupted. And so these varying degrees of severity of these damage responses will determine how many symptoms someone is experiencing following their traumatic brain injury. The symptoms following a traumatic brain injury are quite varied depending upon the nature of the injury and the severity of that injury, and also where on the head the person was impacted and the area of the brain that's been particularly damaged.